party today. It's a party today.
Bread. That cool.
Slowly.
Copy. Copy.
Smell nice. Good morning, guys. Pero dyan sa nakatingin sa kanyang manok na yellow. Manok na pula. What is this?
Chicken.
Manok.
Manok.
Chicken in English. Manok. Manok in Tagalog. Good morning, guys. Let's have breakfast, guys.
What did you do it?
No, coffee nga.
What did you do it?
Coffee. Put my coffee here and then later on I'm gonna drink it if it's ready. You want coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, are you grown up now?
No.
So gusto daw niya ng croissant at saka ng chocolate. King love biscuit spread. Okay, biscuit spread. That's not chocolate, that's a biscuit spread. So i-cut muna natin tong bread niya. Tapos lagyan natin ng palaman. Yeah, you like this?
Yeah.
So cool. What is biscuit spread?
Cool.
No, this is biscuit spread.
Oh,
Biscuit spread.
that biscuit spread.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bread, my love.
What out?
Bread.
What out?
Spread.
Bread. That cool.
Good afternoon mga gwapo, mga gwapas. So ngayon guys, it's Saturday. 12 na tayo ng hapon. So magluluto ako ng brunch guys. Brunch tayo. Ito na yung lunch at saka breakfast ko. So yeah guys, okay. Christian, what do you want to eat? Let's eat brunch, guys. Ito kasi yung paborito kong lutuan eh. Itong guys, itong pat. Kasi ang bilis kasi niya. Saksakan mo lang sa kuryente, guys. Tapos, ayun na, pagtaprito, nabilis. Bilis siya, ano. Bilis talaga siya. Pasya kidlat ba? So, yeah, let's cook, guys. So, ang ating lutuin is sausage. Hindi pa ako nakapag-ano guys, nakapag-supply. Basta pamuho ko kasi nagligo ako. So, hindi pa ako nakapag-blower kasi nga, ginutom na ako guys. Kailangan ko na talagang kumain. Kumapit kayo konti dito kasi guys. So, hindi pa ako kumain. Kaya sabi ko mamaya na, mag-dry. Normal dry na lang siya, yung natural dry na lang. Kasi ang init din naman ng blower ba. Gusto ko yung, hindi talaga ako masalay sa blower guys. Talagang natural dry na lang talagang ginagawa ko. Tapos, yun na yung pag-dry ka. So, anyway guys, meron pala tayong chicken, no? Si King guys, mag-4 na sa October 26. So, yun nga yung namin, yung assignment namin today guys, na maghanap kami ng venue na kung saan si King magsiselebrate na kanyang birthday. So, bali, naghahanap kami ng venue kung saan. Pero yung first talaga na first choice ko guys is yung talaga, yung pinag-birthdayhan talaga ng kaibigan ko yung anak niya na babae nung last February. Na hindi kasi ako naka-vlog that time guys. Nag-stop ako that time sa pag-vlog. So, doon ang gusto ko na venue. So, check namin mamaya kung merong space sa ganun na date na 26 or 27. So, Alayin ko muna ito. Magluluto siguro na ako ng egg. Christian, would you like to cook some egg again? Christian, would you like to cook some egg? Oh, come on. Come on, cook some eggs. You want to cook eggs? Come here. Kasi guys, gusto ni King talaga magluto ng eggs. So, baka gusto niya magluto ng eggs ba? Would you like to cook eggs or not? Eggs. Come on, here. So, palutuin natin si King ng itlog ko. There. Yeah, this one, you can use that. Okay, mix. Hello, what happened in that egg? It's like room. Slowly. So, magluluto si King guys ng egg. Mix. Slowly.
No further.
I'm gonna put some. What is this?
What that?
Salt.
Salt.
A little bit of salt. Hindi ka malabas. Okay na yan. Si King guys ang magluluto ng ating isa egg.
It's a chopped. What that, mommy? What that?
Be careful. Oh, look. You already messed there. Look. You already messed.
What? Mommy, the father.
Okay, slowly.
Chow.
I think I need something here for cooking. Can I open this? Can you move a bit? Okay, where is it? This one I'm looking for. Right. So move back again. Okay.
Make.
Slowly shake. So yeah, we're gonna cook now. Okay, ready? Slowly. Oh, look. Oh.
Okay.
I told you slowly. And watch while you're working. Yeah, like no. Like that. Look at the mess. Mix together like jug. Yan. King is shaking. You like to cook eggs? Right, finish. Right, cooking time na. Cooking time na.
No, turn on.
This one.
10 and 10 down and 10.
Slowly. Right, so now, we're gonna put here now. Okay? Oopsie. That's your job now. Make the eggs. Slowly, love. Pakanta pa. Smell nice. You are my sunshine. Come on na, let's sing a song. My only sunshine. Gusto niya kanta na yan. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Wow, look at the egg. Be careful ha. Hindi kasi sa mainit yung pot guys, so safe si King kasi hindi siya mainit.
No.
Okay, you mix then. Stand up. Oh, what is this shift? Uy, parang tamad man, uy. Parang tamad guys, uy, yung shift natin. You have to watch what you're cooking kasi it's very hot. Not hot, but I mean, you know, it's not hot, oh. It's not really hot, but I want you to keep an eye on it. So it's gonna burn. Tamad. Ito yung tagaluto na tamad mo. Talaga may pagano'n pa. Oh, so be careful. There's oil everywhere. See? Okay, you want to slow? Okay, slow natin yung yung ito. Stand up properly ba? That's it. And then Hold, that's it. Mix na. Christian, you are? What happened? You're lazy today. Come on na. That's it. Oh, look at King's eggs, guys. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Yes, now look. Oh, it's still not cooked in that side. You don't know. Stand up properly. Hold this tight. You said you want to learn. Look. Finish now, I think. Okay, you go down now and watch TV. Okay, bye guys. Guys, anak natin dramatic. Ako na mag-continue. Pero yung isang itlog, parang sira yung isang itlog. Kasi yung amoy ba? Parang ano siya, amoy Penoy. Amoy Pinoy, yes. Penoy. Whatever. Ito. Mali, mamala guys. Uy, ina kung mali ang akong napag-pronounce guys ha. Kaya na akong dila, gatiko-tiko. Kita na yan. So, egg is luto na guys. Magano kita sang sang sausage. Magluto kita sausage. So, magkaon man si King sang sausage guys. So, let's make it like nang ilang sausage guys. Oh, the way. Lutuin na natin lahat guys. May pera siya ba? Try natin. Oh, sarap pa. Ay, naku. Sikipan sila sa ano natin pat. So, let's eat. Ito pala yung sausage guys. Oh. Napakita sa inyo. So, yan yung sausage. Ito yung sausage natin guys na yan na natin. Ito yung sausage guys. Branch natin ito guys, no? Big branch na. Cumbria. Masarap talaga ang Cumbria na ano dito na sausage. Yun na talaga yung paborito ko guys na sausage ng UK. Cumbria. Cumbria? Let's dance, come on, come on. Come on, sit down, girl. Come on, dance here. You come here, up here, you up here. Come on. Dance, 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 dance. Christian, here. Watch here, look at there. Dance, 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 party lady, party lady. It's a party, yeah. It's a party, yeah. Away. It's a party, yeah. Dance, dance, dance. La 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 la. Yeah. It's a party. It's a party today. Ayusin natin pagkain ni King guys. Bigyan ko na siya ng kanyang food. Kings. You got your lunch ready, my love. Come on. See? Come on. Eat me here. Take sweetie. Christian. Oh, ito yung breakfast niya. Hindi ko pa natanggal. Right, eat now, my love, please. Breakfast, guys. And bread. Meron pa akong nainit doon na beans. see guys, that's it. Christian, try the sausage, yummy. Good. I'm going out, Christian. So guys, nandito kami sa labas. Papakain namin yung mga ducks guys kasi mabigay muna natin sa ducks. Kaysa naman sa itapon natin, sayang lang. So, bigay na lang natin guys. Ayun na si King sa unahan. Tumatakbo na si King sa unahan. So, maganda dito. Utom na oh kasi marami ng dahon na naglalagasan. Ayan. Look, ay daming tao din dito guys. Oh. Ayan. Very autumny. Ayun na sa King sa dulo. Dito tayo guys. Bigyan natin ng mga bread natin. Oh, get the bread here. Come here.
Daddy, Dad. I want bread. I want bread.
Careful, don't go too close. Too close.
This is yummy. King said yummy, he ate the bread. Don't eat the bread. Ah, got lots of ducks, King. That's nice. Come on, slide. King, slide here. Christian, where are you? Shh, don't scream. No screaming. We found you. We found Christian. I found you. Where's Christian? So dito kami sa park. Siguro mga ano lang dito, mga 20 minutes para kay King. Para maano siya ba, ma-enjoy siya guys. Come on, go slide. Slide. Ayaw bumaba. So magsisleep na si King guys. Mag-read muna tayo ng book. What kind of book is that? Come on na. Can you please close your toilet please? Very open. Okay, go wee-wee first. Wee-wee daw muna siya. Ano itong gusto niya na book eh? Ah, Eagle Pigo. Ito yung gusto niyang basahin ko daw yung Eagle Piggle, the bouncy jumping game. Okay, we're gonna read this. Okay, I want your iPad in the side. Put set aside. Turn it off first. Okay, turn it off and then, yeah. We're gonna read a book, Eagle Piggle. Okay? Okay. Right.
Pika.
So once, okay, this is the Eagle Piggle. What are you listening? Eagle Piggle, guys, yung pinili ni King for tonight. So, Eagle Piggle, the bouncy jumping game. Once upon a time, in the night garden, Eagle Piggle was out for a walk when he heard a funny noise. Boing, boing, boing. Sing it right. Boing, boing, boing. Look at that. Upsy Daisy is jumping. Who's that? Upsy Daisy. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Daisy Doo. Who's this? Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy. Boing, boing, boing. Now Eagle Piggle is jumping too. Oh, they both jumping. Eagle Piggle and Upsy Daisy is both jumping. The Tobblebows are jumping. Hello, Tobblebows. This is Tobblebows. Yung Tobblebows, guys. Next. Boing! Makapaka is jumping. Hello, Makapaka. Makapaka. Look at that. Even the great big hahoos are jumping. Oh, got a sticker. What's the problem? What's the tiny jumping noise? Star. I'm a star. Oh, look at that. The teeny tiny porcupines are doing teeny tiny jumps. Me, 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 me. Oops. The end? That's so quick. Again, it's time to sleep. Okay, King gonna read the book then. Again daw. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for today. Tomorrow again. Okay, say bye-bye, guys.